Greetings, Johnny Linoleum here. Today we're going to take a look at the Olsa half-inch flex head split beam torque wrench, rated for 50 to 250 foot-pounds. It's good over and under 4%. It weighs 3.1 pounds, 23 inches long. I believe I mentioned 32 tooth. I picked this up from Olsa back in June of 21 for $157. It's on Amazon today for $145. At Olsa, I believe it's listed as $144. The model number is 1242. And I want to show you how to set these things up. I screwed up earlier on my Precision Instruments one. I forgot to show you how to set it up. So it comes with a certificate of calibration, a little manual, so. The case is fine, the usual plastic job. So let me show you how to use this thing, or not use it, just set it up, really. Let's see what we can do here. All right. We can zoom in a little bit more. See if that steadies out. Now I'm going to keep going. I'll keep going with this one. All right, to set this up, you have to turn it to its side, lower the switch. Now you use your dial here to set it up the way you want it. I know you can't see it. I'm going to try and set it up at 100. Now here's where the problem comes in sometimes. When you flick this back, if the teeth and the grooves don't line up, it's going to throw your setting off. I had it set for 100, now it looks like it's around 198. So that's what you got to watch with these things. So I'll go back to 100, lock it, and see if it holds its setting. And that's the exact same way to do it on the Precision Instruments one I did earlier. All right, let's try this out. All right, I've got it set right at 100, it looks like. Let's see how we do. One 13. 100.6. 100.1. So it's fairly accurate. When I tested this, I tested it at 100. It averaged 101. At 150, 151.2. And at 200, 199.4. So the results on it are pretty good. I would recommend it. The only thing, it's heavy. It weighs 3.1 pounds, but it's only 23 inches long. So when you get up into the 180s and 200s, you really got to lay into it to get the thing to work good. Other than that, I like it. Thank you very much.